Man, even I just say head time, when I just say Bolly when I announce with the drum regularly for this place. This one at the show they call BOBOS. Yes, BOBOS. Why I say this one where we they can talk the things we say boss, mamas, babies, everybody there would have been jollificate and we do things together. Yes, so and you know as usual, I know go fit day here without my men them. Chakra.
Okay, we'll go on, mama. You know, we are still in the election fever. Just like 2 weeks ago now. So
just few days. 11 days.
11 days. 11 days to vote wisely. 11 days to vote your conscience.
11 days to help your ministry move forward.
11 days to maintain peace.
We preach peace. We preach peace. Yes, and when I would not notice, I get one spoofing dude, one spoofing bobo, they with us today inside this bar because we don't know what you whole showman do.
Showman, so you know you're here.
All I know is I'm not just saying.
I don't know what showman go this Elisha.
Elisha.
They go one wedding for Elisha. You know, so those Elisha women, they get big baka. All those Elisha women, they get big, and their husband, they put something for their. So someone just say make he touch one Elisha woman for back. As he touch her for back like this, he saying they run, make it run go hotel. Oh boy. Now run, no be like say na mental running. So right now,
no sorry.
Not be smart thing. Would they look for showman like this? Waiting Baka go put that boy for trouble.
So he just go
to Sam.
Tapping.
Now he come begin run.
Yeah, but was also.
We think say would they wait for her for hotel for where?
Wait till expect from Calabama. Calabama they always like backyard, so he can shoot backyard anyway.
I mean, yes, but I don't see the Bobo way inside the studio today in name. Now Lucky Child.
Yes, so all the men, Shaki, hey, Shaka, for this time, and one on the spot.
Meanwhile, in case you don't know, Lucky is a known comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He's my colleague. He used to be my friend, but right now he's my brother.
Very correct.
He's right here with us today.
Very correct. Very correct.
And hope so you don't like the things which showman they like. Because now showman
see to sit down so.
Come, you know say you get us to go sit down for another see the spirit go follow you. I then go make showman see not follow you.
Showman they like things.
You know say you don't marry, Abi?
Yes, no.
You don't marry. You're a gladly married, happily married man.
So even though if I like back, I'm responsible liking. I get that show.
Yes, this thing don't bring me come matter we want to talk about today because I look and say it makes sense when man sabi cook.
Yes.
Because guy like me, I'm a good cook.
That's bad for you.
Boy. Thank you. I sabi cook. So now you come and people they always ask this question. People don't ask this question plenty. I mean, we can't come today. Say, we even deliberate on top. I'm here waiting. Other people got stuck our own on top. Not true. Say man, we sabi cook like me. They make very good husband.
So I don't understand. So we want to sabi cook now. We don't make good husband. I don't understand the angle where this your topic they come from. Oh. How?
No.
How be say because say you sabi cook?
Good guys like me, we sabi cook, you know, men we sabi cook.
Why you lay that emphasis on like me?
Yo, because I know how to cook.
Shakra, I don't shop food.
No, I know that one. I confirm. No be saying just know how to cook like that too. He was actually cooking for his heirs. You get one baby say they always cook for. You know say guy. Even they don't sabi cook, what do your baby require? One of the requirements with the baby give her, you must cook for me. You must sabi cook so.
Who tell you say that babe and they cook for women people sabi cook?
I know that paro.
You know that paro, Abi?
Yes. Every morning.
Early morning,
go carry cooler. Paro go full of my bag. We go serve food. Shakara, you get bread.
Lucky. So you did the ministry.
I see you before now.
I don't want expose.
Okay, but true.
But it's good men sabi cook.
You know.
But that will not be. It's not a yardstick for you to be a good husband.
Yes.
Why you talk? Why you talk like that?
And I don't sense some say men we sabi cook. They the womanize well. You know why? Yes, because you know men. Listen now.
Okay.
Lucky. I don't know if I'm wrong. Correct me. Okay. Men where they do hair, women hair. Where they do all those pedicure and manicure for women.
Yeah, women beat you.
You know, say those men, then they fire, the fire pass, I don't know what you call them now.
Correct. Because they're always there around women.
You understand?
Yes.
So any man where they do any work where relate to women things, and it's a bit one will be chef, man will be chef, man will be okay, cook and chef now the same thing. Okay, thank you.
Chef now for company, cook now for house.
Okay. I want any man will be chef, any man will be cook. So
but really, you know, say, Lucky, you dey cook for your wife for house. You dey cook like once in a while. You dey enter kitchen.
Once in a while, actually. Once in a while. That's so it be. But not be say.
Well, your marriage is fresh now. Who is it you don't begin enter kitchen now?
Bros, December 27th to now, how many months? I never enter kitchen this one. I be say, you know now. But the kitchen where I enter, now when she know they around. Not say she dey house. I can't enter kitchen, no. She know they around them. So she begged me. That was the one thing I like about my wife. She call me for phone, say she no go quick reach house, and she want from where she dey go for her practice. And she know say if I close from work, because she dey first be close from her own work. She want close from work, go for her practice. So she don't calculate and say before she go close from church, I fit don't reach house. So she come beg me well, saying beg me well if I will feel cook wetin me go eat. She get. So suppose I know Sabi cook, if for hang me. I for wait till she come back for practice, or I for go branch mama put.
But why your wife? You get this thing why they always consider. Maybe we look at them like this, for instance. You and your wife, they work together. You know, she close from work. Before she reach house, you don't reach house. I don't expect say your wife suppose call you. Say, I beg, help me cook before you cook. No, now so now they take do their own, but this one is my own opinion. You understand? Say, like guy like me now, I feel just reach house now. My wife never land. You get, and are they hungry? I go enter kitchen. I go cook. I don't cook for myself. I go cook both for myself and my wife.
You know what?
I go wait for her to come. We go follow chop.
Every woman, when no say the husband sabi cook, she no go take advantage of the man. You understand? She know say man sabi cook, but she take him as her responsibility.
I know.
So
I know.
you are the man. You know, you be Igbo now. Imagine, Igbo man, you dey cook, your mama come. How your mama go act? No. Your man go face woman, say don't turn you to woman.
I understand what you did. I understand what you did.
But they won't take her from the angle where you say, you know, she never even supposed
tell me not
to cook. You know, like me now. She know number one woman will even tell me to cook because I know Sabi cook. So because if you say make I cook for you, you know say me I don't like argument. Argument I dey tear apart. As you say, I want you to cook. I say, okay. I enter kitchen cook the food. Now when you chop and only you by yourself. Any day when you see me the near kitchen, even if I won't go carry water drink, say, hey, no, what are you doing there? Leave that place. I said no, I just want to drink water. Because me if I cook, you get how the things know they tell you they united. Leave go float go one side. You know, tomatoes go there one side. So if you just water go there center, understand? They don't cooperate. I never really know how to combine.
You know the name of that kind of soup? Disunity.
That kind of soup be like Nigeria if you look at what. You know Nigeria. The south. They don't agree. But what did they cook well? What did they cook well? Why I know say that one? I know they miss some at all. Tea. Once I do blood.
Oh my God!
If you drink my tea, oh my God, you will love me. I swear to God. They make average everything.
But what you are really like make men they do, make men sabi cook.
Okay.
But not be saying that they are place to the do but make them sabi. Because sometimes you go make man they go once. They let love they strong. You go once, honey, make I just go kitchen for you. She they like that kind of thing. She get.
So she too often I follow the kitchen when she dey cook.
You they do. But for example now, like day for yesterday, my wife was busy, so I can't look and say, make her sister for some kind of things. You understand? Ask me to her sister.
What you do?
She don't prepare food. I don't go quick. She help her the kind of food come out. Finish. It's actually thank me because I go help her carry the food, come down. He may not be like say a balance. Make she do everything serve. She get. So if you don't dey play small role as the
that can help. I don't look at that. I go feed the help. That can help too. I go carry food. Lucky, thank you. Say still get wetin we no sabi cook. You get wetin we
sabi do. And then maybe we rush enter street. Maybe we see our people them. Maybe we get here wetin the guys tell us on top this matter. I no go anywhere and I see BOBOS here. We dey come back.
Yeah, it can be so.
I don't know, but not true.
Me also a big cook. Yeah. and I'll be good husband for my wife.
Well, there's nothing bad for a man to know how to cook, but it's on African because a place of a woman is in the kitchen. Professionally and traditionally, in respect of their career. Are you getting my point? You can't expect me to be going to the kitchen for my wife. It is a duty, primary duty of my wife to cook for me, and I can as well assist her.
Woman go like man wey sabi cook. You go dey happy because even though the woman no get power to cook, because darling, let me cook now. I don't tire, you know. Then okay, I'll go help you. So that's just the way it is.
I guess it's a sort of kind of help. It be like say it's not some kind of help where it could be for the wife, you know. When the wife don't tire, the husband go help cook. And any man wey sabi do that one, I be say sabi do housework well. So the wife will rest well.
I don't know, because I don't cook.
Yeah. That's what we do. At least
That one, your brother. I don't know.
At least I'm not alone. I'm not alone on this one now. But the other guy, we talk that guy drive rough. But I like it when he say it's on African for a man to be cooking because. And like Lucky talk, you get a person go enter your house, he say now you dey cook. The person no go even want know, say, no be so this thing be every day. Now say today, now you just want to help your wife. But that one day when you see you dey cook, talk to me even as you dey here. If you visit your friend or your uncle, anybody, you can't enter, say in the kitchen they cook, and the wife they do something else, or no, she know the kitchen. You get that thing where they come like say, oh, but this man, rapper.
Well, normal though, first impression as an African, you go first enter your head, say a woman rapper. But the other time, if a guy like me, if I enter the way, you go and see, like for instance, you get one day where I go my elder, our firstborn, I go in their house, I go see him. A wife and the children, they inside room. Maybe it be like say that they tidy up the room. But my brother, I see with apron for neck. They fry plantain for kitchen.
In brother.
My own brother.
My brother, we talk of husband cooking.
No, I dey talk of my brother we don't marry. Okay. You get in wife and in children. They room
brother,
they clean.
You get how you take see that day.
I come at first I shock say bros.
Imagine in shock.
Which
your
way?
Brother, but in shock.
You know, I shock which way. But later I come I look and say, well, I know maybe something they happen. You know, then later I come find out say a wife and the children they inside, they tidy up room, that kind of thing. Come outside, say make him do breakfast, you know, and my brother, the way we take old spoon, you go no say so I'm a sure TC cooking. The plantain serve half of the plantain bon. Yeah, but really, you know, but the thing for me now say, I believe say it go really make sense if man know how to cook. Why they put them like this? Because God self talk and say, woman where you marry now your helpmate.
But you notice
you understand? Now your helpmate, no be like your slave. Yes, we believe say woman primary assignment, now for kitchen. But let's be sincere. If you marry a career-driven woman, really a career-driven woman, say she dey go work, she dey do everything. Times go dey say this woman no go dey available.
No, she's supposed to say she career woman, she's supposed to say get another responsibility.
Yes.
I know dispute
wife, as a mother. So you're supposed to find how to take balance them up. You understand?
I know dispute the fact say I know dispute the fact say she go understand say she be mother and she be wife. But all I'm saying is this: when we think of something, more they look at the other side of them. What if your wife travel? Let's say, for instance, now you don't marry. Your wife go Abuja for conference for 1 week. You know go feed.
Oh, feed now. But that's why
there's. When you be bachelor, before you take the feed.
That make you need it for house help. You understand? Yes, now. When house help, even when madam dey, get some time. Even when madam dey, house help let they cook. Now she they give instructions. But you know, say some women will even get house help. Sometimes food still they lack for house. You know why? They just they carried away, no instruction, no anything, you know, to guide the house girl on what to do. She will just come late before she could remember say people were even supposed to chop. That kind of women. I make that man they say place of woman is in the kitchen. My brother, it's not in the kitchen, but a woman is supposed to always be an African woman. No, we no be Igbo. Our forefathers, them, what they put for granted. Just be like, say, we get a structure where we come meet. We no fit we no fit forget our culture.
Yeah.
Even though we dey religious, say we be Christians or we be Muslims.
Civilization
Civilization take place.
Yeah,
we no
for,
forget our
for
our
you
this
basically, lucky child. For you basically, you don't get into the marriage thing.
Yeah.
You don't get into the marriage thing. How you feel? Say it go be make you wake up on a Saturday morning. Just tell your wife, say, babe, no worry. This weekend I go market, I go buy everything, I go come back, I go cook. You go fit do that kind of thing.
Well, I go fit do am because of the love I get for my wife. Now, love the let person do some kind of things. But women, then get this. They say sorry, women, apology. They say women They say women get fish brain. In the sense that if you do something for them, they'll begin think and say, make you they do am.
If you don't call do am.
The day when you no do am, it don't quarrel. That's why, as a man, now wisdom go to do things with woman. So if on faithful Saturday, I wake up say, honey, today, relax, go market, go buy everything. I no go expect her. Make she come dey wait for me to do every weekend.
Sure.
That's one thing. Because you go ever enter their head say, I be do am that time now.
Because you know say, I dey look am say, if man really want show wife say in dey extremely caring, it gets some things where you need to balance up.
Yeah.
Really, more call a spade a spade. If say you
But
get
what
married
of
now,
man wey no sabi cook like us
Like
now?
man wey no sabi cook like you, I go talk say the only thing what you need to do now say most times where if you don't marry, you know, or even though you get babe, where your babe dey inside kitchen.
I no say the guy age wey man go reach, you no fit catch up how to cook.
Chakara.
Because that time you dey how to make bar, how to
Chakara.
a whole lot of things dey.
I understand
things
you.
dey now. You don't talk am before say you dey cook
I
tea.
understand you.
Na cook.
If
You
na
cook
that
indomie,
tea,
na cook.
if na that tea you fit dey do, wey be say sometimes you go just do am, you and your babe or your wife go drink.
You are doing something.
Na wetin you fit
But
do
that
is still something.
as an African
You don't
man,
understand.
make it try learn African delicacy.
You don't understand.
That is, learn
Can
African
you
delicacy.
cook a banga soup? Make we do this your opinion, abeg. When we come back, we fire that from there. My guy drink, my guy pour drink. Can you cook banga soup now? You go shield off a banga.
That's the way you are.
Now so,
Partially.
yes. Like, you know the point. Not be true.
Well, it's not only the woman that should be doing the cooking all the time. The husband should also help at times. Then that will show, from there, it can show his love to the woman.
Each night the wife is not around, he can make something to eat. That makes to be a good husband.
Whereby the man knows how to cook very well. Whatever the wives cook, he will not appreciate it because he's a good cooker. It's the wife that will enjoy the man, not the man enjoying the wife. For instance, my husband, he doesn't know how to boil water. So 24 hours, if I'm around, I will be in the kitchen.
I don't know about other people, but my always sabi cook for me. They add flavor, they add spice to the relationship. So they always make, because it will make them more attentive. You understand? So they make a, but still add plus to what he gets.
Depend on the man, sha. Depend on the man. The first thing Sabi economy say he ain't go take care of you or he go make you a perfect husband. Maybe na your own bringing, when they take trainer, you ain't take trainer. Maybe na him be first child. If you enter kitchen, they cook. So from that, you go master am. But there are other things, get other things that will make man be better husband. It's not by cooking. But it dey hard, sha. But does not mean you ain't go become perfect husband.
Man who sabi cook go make good husband. Because you need a good man to help you at home and support you as a wife. Most of us are working class wives. If we get man who sabi cook, we go support us. No woman will not go happy. I get one for house and they support me well. And I thank God for that.
Yes, we thank God for you, madam. We thank God for you. You have a man like me that can support you. You know, the ministry has to move forward.
But you're not the only man.
Things
The support is very important to woman. Na financial support.
Financial support.
Brother.
Forget all those cook. If you sabi cook, your wife is every when she want cook, you go into the kitchen, go to the cutter, kubo. They say, Papa John, we need 5,000 for this thing. Say, child, hey, if there's nobody this okra want the cut, child,
I go find the money.
I don't go find this money. You go know say that rubbish, like they cook. That's the
balance.
Go and hustle and work hard and look for money. What are you cooking?
I know this to the fact say.
What are you cooking?
No.
My friend, don't tell me that.
I know this to the fact say
If I have money, I will have chefs. I will have cook. I will even have cooker according to one man. There will be cooker. You understand? So I don't know. What is this?
I don't talk say money no dey important. What I am saying is simple. Wetin I talk I say e dey good. Like that girl talk I say e dey add spice and flavor. Nem on a way he curry, on a way he time. Who came out and she shini no? Come back now. Who came out and she shini? On the thing.
If Sabi cook, they add spice and flavor to soup or relationship. Let me say money they add meat to soup. Pork go food.
Oh my God!
They add turkey.
Kakara man who go Sabi cook, he Sabi cook. That babe still live up.
Na me live am o.
Oh, lucky.
Na me live am o. Before you dey open my ears for public. Na me live am. Na me say no do
a very good example.
Hey, Tina can na lemre we.
His former. No mind am o. He want the strat. His former babe.
Child,
early morning. But she still left him.
I did not. I left. He got to a stage. It was unbearable and it was unthinkable.
Because you became a cooker.
But there was a living. Whether na he live and be like
there was a living.
Somebody left.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
What do you mean?
Oh, sorry. Continue.
What do you mean? Like I mean, what does for because I be at China who couldn't do the shin no, and I be at you.
No, they use no people program. No, they use people.
This one don't swear we carry something out today. Na very strong thing. I beg. We need to really tell our police force, may they please. May they try to know how they would react to civilians. Because say you wear that uniform, no be criteria for you to brutalize civilians anyhow. Just they beat people anyhow.
No mind them. That's so one beat them. I bet many of them beat one man.
The guy faint
for front of Zenith Bank. You know why they do that in that? You know, say the previous day, 2 days ago, before that incident, they call rob for Lekki, rob one of those banks. You understand? So that guy now they say they make call for front of bank.
Oh. That will not be enough reason.
When they answer him, he get intake behave suspiciously.
Now they land them.
Now they land them. You know.
But at the end of the day,
you know, Sand. I know say we dey flog police. Oh, I know say I come here call support police. Yeah. I know say we dey last they say wetin they do no good. You know say that robbery that they one policeman wey dey escort expatriate. No be saying they on duty, just dey inside motor they escort. They shoot am, they kill am. You understand? So now that both anger, both fear, both everything.
I didn't take the verse on that.
But what against stop is more try the.
No, but the thing for me now really, they go need to know how they will take the balance their emotions. That's why they be professionals.
I mean they investigate rather well.
Wear that cloth. Get enough reason. Even person where they just call suspect. You not supposed to be until you now prove them. Say in they guilty.
And why police beating they bad now when you don't get something to drop. You get where because police beating they start like soldier home.
At all.
Soldier they beat you direct, but police they always say you go sell low. You don't get anything. You don't get anything. You can't say I don't get. How you don't go get? How you don't go get? You don't beg. Before you don't take up with all the ground.
Oh man, I beg. Time no be our friend. Lucky Chan, thank you. Say you come. Your last word, I beg. Give me one last word. Husband, man with Sabi cook, they make good husband for you.
Well, man wey sabi cook dey make good husband, but other criteria dey wey go make am a complete good husband. But if you no sabi cook, you dey one chance because the practice make perfect. If you stop to dey cook, you go know sabi again.
Shakra.
The things wey dey make good husband plenty. No be about sabi cook. Cook na just talent. E just be like say me wey sabi make people laugh now. I get my own advantage. So find your own talent. Add to your relationship. You don't know.
How you look good?
That talent.
Good night. Good night, oh.